Edinburgh is the capital of Scotland and one of Europe's most beautiful cities. It sits just off the east coast of the island of Great Britain facing the North Sea. Edinburgh can be wandered endlessly. The old city fascinates with its narrow medieval streets, framed by austere, elegant, historic buildings. Many of them are now home to restaurants, pubs, hotels, and fashionable stores. Edinburgh is home to an incredible number of museums, many of which house masterpieces of world art. You will need a lot of time to explore the city's prominent landmarks, most famous museums, and galleries. Today we are going to take a walk with beautiful people along the papular routes of Russia's capital Moscow on a summer July evening. Moscow has no shortage of beautiful, well-maintained and landscaped embankments, among which the greenest embankment, named Pushkinskaya, stands out in particular. Today Pushkin Embankment became one of the most beautiful walking places, which is undoubtedly worthy of a visit. In fact, here is built a pier, which regularly departs from the river boats. Ottawa is located in southeastern Canada and is the capital of this beautiful country. The city is located at the junction of two provinces, English-speaking Ontario and French-speaking Quebec. It was the location that allowed this city to become the capital of Canada. Queen Victoria chose a compromise between English-speaking Toronto and French-speaking Montreal. This city is the capital of Canada relatively recently, only since the middle of the 19th century. Now Ottawa is the political center of the country. Here are the main state and administrative institutions. Talking Street, whose name translates as Beer Street, is the center of Hanoi's nightlife. To get through it at night, you have to push and constantly turn left and right, the only way to get around the endless crowds of tourists and locals scurrying around Tahin. Talking Street can safely be called a beer street. Every evening on both sides of the street close to each other are placed tiny plastic chairs, gathered motley multi-floral and mixed-age crowd traveling around Asia backpackers, foreigners living in Hanoi, and the Vietnamese. All of them, apparently, have one thing in common, a love for easy conversation, street food and cheap draft beer, which literally pours a river.
Đây thẳng Lương Ngọc Quyến này, đi vào trong Đại Hiền.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.